Shea butter is a skin superfood that comes from the seeds of the fruit of the Shea Karite tree. It may offer mild UV protection and provides the skin with extremely important fatty acids and the vitamins, minerals, and proteins necessary for collagen production. It's also not unusual to eat shea also, much as we use palm oil in products. There's different opinions on whether or not it's healthy to eat, and since some studies suggest that eating shea butter may interfere with the digestion of other proteins. 1. Moisturizing. The concentration of natural vitamins and fatty acids in shea makes it incredibly giving food to, keeping alive and moisturizing for skin. It is often used to fix dry skin and to help protect the skin's natural oils. 2. Reduces swelling. Due to its cinnamic acid and other natural properties, shea butter was anti-swelling. One compound especially, lupol cinnamate, was found to reduce skin swelling and even possibly help avoid skin changes. This also makes it helpful for some people with acne. 3. Lotions. Added to basic homemade lotion for more hydrating skincare use. 4. Skin smoothing. Shea aids in the skin's natural collagen production and contains oleic, stearic, palmitic, and linolenic acids that protect and prevent drying. With long-term use, many people report skin softening and strengthening as well as wrinkle reduction. Shea butter is one of the most versatile natural beauty ingredients. For more beneficial ingredients, check out Natural Home Cures.